Hey kids, Mr. Langford here. Gonna talk to you about number bonds. Safety first! First of all, a number bond, very simply, is when you have two parts that make a whole. Two parts that make a whole. Right? Now I want you to notice here that the big number goes in the big circle. The two little numbers go in the two little circles. That's not too hard, is it, kids? The big number in the big circle. Right? Right. Let me show you something. They say your teacher just had their coffee. They're a little excited. They got a lot of energy. So they're going to show you some number bonds. Let's say they put an 8 here. And a 2 here. What goes in this little circle? Don't call me here. What goes in the little circle? Well, I could take the 8 and the 2 and make a 10. Does a 10 go here? No! The big number goes here. 10 is bigger. So, I want to count on from the 2. Starting down here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That was 6. So, my number bond, 2 and 6 are the parts that make up the whole. Because the 8 is the biggest number. It goes in the biggest circle. Let me show you something. They say you don't have circles at all. And you get some funny looking squares instead. Maybe your teacher is a square. But they say your teacher says, put a 5 in the paper. A 5. And they say, put a 2 here. Your teacher says, for some reason, what goes here? And then your teacher takes another drink of coffee. And you're like, my gosh, how much coffee can they drink? What goes here, kids? 7? 5 and 2 make 7. 7 doesn't go here. Because then it would be the biggest number. Where does the biggest number go? In the biggest box. That's right. So I'm going to count on from 2 until I get to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. The two parts, 2 and 3, make up the 5. The big number. Because the big number always goes in a big box. I said, don't call me here. Let me show you something else. Your teacher likes sugar in her coffee. You don't know why. They just do. They're all excited. They're giving you more number bonds. Here's another crazy square. Look at this. I'm going to put a 10 here. A 1 there. What goes here? Your teacher, all the time, trying to make you wonder what goes in a box. You know what goes in a box? A crazy person. Here's a 10 and a 1. What goes there? 10 plus 1, 11? No, because then it would be the biggest number. Not at all. I'm going to say 1. I'm going to count on until I get to 10, because that's the biggest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right, it's 9. Let me show you one more thing. These aren't circles. They're rectangles. They're connected. So I'll put a 15 here. And I'll put a 10 here. Gee, Fire Marshal Langford, what goes in that other box, I wonder? I wonder. For the last time, don't call me here! I could add 15 and 10. That gives me 25. 25 would go in a small box. That doesn't make sense. I'm going to count on from 10. Are you ready to count on with me? Here we go, kids. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's right. 5 goes here. And the magic of number bonds continues. Guess what, kids? It's over. It's all over. I'll see you next time.